Just to translate point A 2 units down. How do we do that? We go down 2 units, put a dot, and when we put that new dot there, we need to go ahead and label it right away. And since it was A before, we're going to put A apostrophe right beside it, and we're going to call that A apostrophe, not A apostrophe, but A prime. So you would read A apostrophe as A prime. That's the new location. So point A has been translated 2 units down. You're done. So what happens if you're given a situation like this? They want you to translate it 6 units to the left, and that's not too hard, but we've got 3 points. What they're trying to show you in this situation is not just 3 points, but it's 3 points of a figure. So go graph D, E, and F. Make sure you label the points as you're doing it, okay? And then connect the dots. There you go. It's a triangle. So each point is going to go 6 units to the left. Now, that means every point that's on the line, but we don't really have to worry about that. We just need to basically choose all the corners and do that. So D is going to go 6 to the left. Put a new dot, and D becomes D prime. Do that with E, and E becomes E prime. Do that with F, and that becomes F prime. Connect the new dots up, the prime dots, and there you have it. This is your new triangle. It's been translated 6 units to the left. Now remember what I said earlier in the intro. Translations, after you do that, they're the same size. In fact, it's a congruent copy of what you had because you literally just slid the original unit over. And let's take a look at it. Let's just actually move this triangle right over on top of our original. And there you have it. Those two triangles are perfect. They are congruent. They are the same in every way. It's just that we put it in a new location, right? So let's move on. How can we do this? It's like a combo move. They want to do 5 units left and then 1 up. Well, basically take G and move it over 5 units to the left. And once you've counted over 5, don't forget to then count up 1 unit because they want you to go 1 unit up. So don't put your dot yet. Go up 1. Now we can put the dot there, and that becomes G prime. Do the same with the other 2 dots. Make sure you label it as you go, or else you'll have a mess. You'll forget which one's which. And then connect it, and there we have it. Keep in mind the prime triangle is new, and also it's the same size. We can slide it back over and see that it is a perfect copy.